So this is Dr. Gerard at Lakewood's Chiropractic in Forest Lake, Minnesota. And unfortunately, you know what time of year again it is. It's this time, this thing right here, something called the shovel. You know, I've watched the last 24 to 48 hours. I've watched people as I've drove by, neighbors, friends, whatever. I've watched them use this thing ineffectively. And I've also watched dozens of people walk in our office just this morning alone complaining of something called lower back and sciatic issues. And a lot of that happens because we're not sure how to lift and how to shovel snow. And every one of you that lives here in the area knows that the last snows were heavy, they were multiple. And so I just want to give you just a couple of technique things that can help you in the shoveling process. And so when it comes to shoveling, the worst thing that we can do, and I see this all the time, is people will pick up snow like this and then they twist and they throw. It's a twisting and throwing. They twist and try to throw it. I will generally try not to as much as possible to do that. I always like to drag in front of me like so with my leg. And then if I need to get rid of a pile, I like to always use my knee or my hip to be able to help that process if possible, because that's going to take the pressure off the lower back. That's going to take the pressure off the body. Now, there are certainly times when, unfortunately, excuse me, you're going to have to do that. If that's the case, always take it in layers. Always take it in layers. If you're going to have to do a small twisting action, try not to, but if you do, don't try to go to the bottom and try to just massively haul up a big thing of snow. That's going to create the lower back problems. That's going to cause you to have issues down the legs, feet, toes, numbness, tingling, etc., and most importantly, lower back pain. This is Dr. Gerard at Lakewood's Chiropractic in Forest Lake, Minnesota. I hope that helps.